everyone, my name's Kendra and today we're going to be learning about heat transfer vinyl and be making a really cute tank top in the process. Heat transfer vinyl is also known as HTV, so stick around.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be making this wooden spoon survivor tank top. I'm designing in Silhouette Studio. If you use Silhouette Studio as well, then pay close attention to this video. I'll be showing you exactly what to do. Today I'm using iCraft Vinyl's vinyl. I'm using their red glitter vinyl and their gold matte vinyl. The settings that you will need are the heat transfer glitter and heat transfer smooth for the matte vinyl. Always remember with heat transfer vinyl that you need to mirror your image. Also, make sure that when you're doing your cut for the heat transfer vinyl that you place the shiny side of the material down on your mat, leaving the non-shiny side up. Here are some of the tools that I will be using to weed out my design. You can use just about anything to weed. First, you will be cutting off the excess material from your design. When weeding, I like to use this light lamp to weed. It really helps me see exactly what I need to pull away and weed out. And just so you know, iCraft Vinyl's vinyl weeds like butter. Make sure that you don't forget to weed out all the little excess material that's left inside your letters. Fold your design in half, lining it up end to end to make a center line. I've already pressed my shirt and put a center line down the shirt. You can do this by folding your shirt in half and pressing it. Now I'm going to peel off the carrier sheet very carefully, smooth it out, and add my next layer. Again, I'll fold it in half to make a center line. I like using a Teflon sheet to cover my design. To tell that your vinyl is really on your shirt, make sure that you see the fabric fibers behind the vinyl or in the vinyl. And the finished product, it looks absolutely amazing.